So, did you know how 3D printing works? So, ever think how wonderful it would be if you could design a three-dimensional object via computer and then print it into being? That's what 3D printing, a technology that began as early as 1884, I mean 1984. So, it's all about, it first started with Charles Hull's invention of stereolithography, which gave engineers and designers the ability to create 3D models. So, of their designs by printing them. The printer consisted of a laser and materials such as plastic and polymers to create the models. So thermoplastic, a material that becomes liquid when heated and solid when cooled, became a leading material in 3D printing. It's just amazing. So it can create virtually any shape, and after it's cooled, it's strong and durable. So three-dimensional printing can create some surprising products. Researchers at Wake Forest University, for example, used 3D printing to synthesize a scaffold to repair the bladder. So, I mean, bladder or blader basically. So, the scaffold is covered with the patient's own cells, so there is a very low risk of rejection. By 2002, these researchers had employed a similar technique to create functioning kidney for transplant, and by 2008 customized prosthetics and being created with the method basically. So it seems no object is too large to be created using a 3D printer. In 2011, the world's first 3D printed car basically, was unveiled by car ecologist. It gets 200 miles per gallon on the highway and 100 miles per gallon in the city.